So this tab is really helpful when we're thinking about battle planning, or if we have prioritized KIPSers that we really want to think about in terms of growth. So what you can see here is by course, and it tells you how many kids are 0 to 3 points away from approaches, how many are 4 to 6 points away from approaches, so on and so forth. And then how many are 0 to 3 from meets, so on, how many are 0 to 3 from masters. So we have seen historically that kids can grow about 6 points. So we'd really want to be focused in on this column here for kids that we believe could hit that performance band. Of course, our biggest priority right now is growth, but if we need to prioritize some student groups, this could potentially be a starting point. And so if I'm Jamie, I'm looking at okay, here are the numbers across the region. What type of decisions can we make holistically to really move these kids who were so close to 0 to 3 from, these kids are so close to approaches. What can we do for that group of kiddos? You can, of course, filter this by school as well. It'll just take a moment to load. And then you also can filter this by individual students. So this might take a while to come up, but you can see where each kid kind of landed for each course that they took. So Shadarius Richardson was 0 to 3 points away from approaches in biology. So what can we do for Shadarius in the next couple of weeks to make sure he hits that target? Where, for example, Asia may not be someone that she's 10 plus from masters, so potentially could get there, and what kind of pushes could we do in order to support those individual students?